Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Nikon Coolpix cameras often show a lens error message when the barrel gets stuck. This usually happens because of low power or small debris. First, check your batteries. Replace them with fresh ones or a fully charged pack. Sometimes low voltage prevents the motor from moving the lens properly. If that fails, try a hard reset. Remove the battery and memory card for 1 minute. Hold the power button down for 30 seconds while they are out. Reinsert everything and turn it on. Next, look for dirt or sand around the lens rings. Use a can of compressed air or a soft brush to clean the gaps. You can also try the manual assist method. Turn the camera on and gently pull the lens barrel forward. Do not use too much force. Alternatively, place the camera flat on its back on a hard table. Turn it on and let gravity help the mechanism. Some users find success by lightly tapping the side of the camera against their palm. This can dislodge a stuck gear inside. If the lens is tilted, try to gently straighten it. Be very careful during this process. Another trick is to plug the camera into a wall outlet if it has an AC adapter. This provides a steady stream of power. If none of these steps work, the internal motor might be broken. You may need professional repair or a replacement. These simple tricks fix most lens errors quickly at home. Your camera should be back in working order now. Keep the lens area clean to avoid future issues with your device.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.